Prompt engineering. The skill that pays 20 to 40 LPA. And right now, most developers are leaving that money on the table. Here's the truth. Same AI model. Same cost. But with the right prompt, you get 10 times better results. In this video, we're mastering prompt engineering from scratch. Let's go! Section 1. What is prompt engineering? At its core, a prompt is the instruction you give to an AI model. And the quality of that instruction determines everything. Think about it. You and a junior developer both have access to the same AI. But you know how to prompt correctly. You get production-ready code. They get a basic snippet. That difference is worth 20 to 40 LPA in today's market. Section 2. The anatomy of a perfect prompt. Every powerful prompt has 5 parts: role, context, task, format, and constraints. Role tells the AI who it should be. Context gives the background. Task is exactly what you want done. Format tells the AI how to structure the output. And constraints set the rules. Miss any one of these, and your output suffers. Section 3. System prompts. A system prompt is a persistent set of instructions that applies to every single message in a conversation. You set it once, and the AI follows it always. This is how production apps work. You define the AI's persona, rules, and behavior in the system prompt. Every user message is then filtered through those rules. It's the foundation of any serious AI application. Section 4. Few-shot prompting. Zero-shot means you give no examples. Just ask the question. This works sometimes, but it's unreliable for specific formats. Few-shot means you give 2 or 3 examples first. The AI learns the pattern from your examples. Then when you ask your actual question, it follows that exact pattern. Much more accurate, every single time. Section 5. Chain of thought prompting. Without it, you ask a complex question and the AI gives a fast answer that might be wrong. With chain of thought, you force the AI to reason step by step. Just add the phrase, think step by step. Or give numbered reasoning steps. The AI now works through the problem methodically. This dramatically improves accuracy on debugging, architecture decisions, and complex analysis. Section 6. Structured outputs. The most painful thing in AI development is parsing unpredictable text responses. The fix is simple: tell the AI to return JSON every time. Give the AI a JSON schema or an example of the exact format you want. It will follow it. Now in your .NET app, you just call JSON deserialize and you have a typed object. No parsing. No fragile string manipulation. Clean and reliable. Section 7. Role prompting. When you assign the AI a specific expert role, it draws on domain-specific knowledge from its training. The responses become more precise and accurate. Same question, different roles, completely different answers. Ask a security expert, you get vulnerability analysis. Ask a performance engineer, you get optimization strategies. Ask a CTO, you get business impact and scalability thinking. Role changes everything. Section 8. Temperature and parameters. Temperature 0 means the AI gives the same answer every time. Deterministic, consistent, perfect for code generation. Temperature 0.8 means creative and varied, great for writing. Top P filters which tokens the AI can choose from. Max tokens limits response length. For code, always use temperature 0. For creative content, go higher. Tune these settings and you control the AI's personality for each use case. Section 9. Prompt engineering in .NET. Microsoft's Semantic Kernel SDK is the professional way to do prompt engineering in C#. It gives you prompt templates with variables, function chaining, and plugin support. Define your prompt as a function with variable placeholders. Pass in the values at runtime. Chain multiple AI calls together for complex workflows. Works with OpenAI, Azure OpenAI, and even local models through Allama. This is how you build production AI in .NET. Section 10. The top prompt mistakes that give you bad responses every time. Mistake 1, being too vague. Don't say fix my code. Say fix the null reference exception on line 47 caused by this specific condition. Mistake 2, no context. The AI doesn't know your codebase. Give it the relevant code and explain the system. Mistake 3, no format specified. Always tell the AI how you want the output. Mistake 4, asking too many things at once. Split complex tasks into smaller focused prompts. That's prompt engineering. The complete toolkit. Few-shot prompting, chain of thought, system prompts, structured outputs, role prompting, and the API parameters that fine-tune everything. This is the skill that separates average developers from AI engineers earning 20 to 40 LPA. Master it. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe. Comment below which technique you'll use first. See you in the next one.